In this video, I'll show you how to move from a liquid all-in-one CPU cooler into a new case and custom water cooling. Now, this is not a definitive guide on how to do it step by step, but these are things that has worked for me for a long time, and you may try them if you wish to do it on your own setup. Also, see tips on how you can efficiently unmount the hardware and prepare them for the move. Hi, this is Mikey. Welcome to MadMods, and in this channel I share liquid-cooled PC builds, case mods, as well as occasional case reviews for those of you who might be fans of PC building. If you're new here, subscribe for awesome case modding projects as well as tips on how to approach your next potential build. With that, let's do this. Okay, here we go. So let's start with this. I got this message from a guy named Christian. He's a graphics designer. Now, shout outs to Christian. Thank you for choosing MadMods PC Modding, bro. Now, his CPU reaches really high temperatures whenever he is working. So that's why he asked if I can swap the liquid AIO into a custom loop, which is basically what this video is all about. Now, if you're a gamer, or you just want a cool and quiet system while it's under load, then this may also apply to you. Okay, let's go to the preparations. To ensure nothing hinders you from unmounting all parts, unplug all wires and cables connected to the motherboard and graphics card, then unmount the power supply and make sure you keep all the screws for later. Unmount the graphics card to create space, making it easier to remove the CPU block. Onto the CPU block, we'll remove the screws by hand as usual. Make sure you get a paper towel or a cleaning cloth and alcohol to remove the thermal paste on the CPU block and the CPU itself. If you have the original packaging of the all-in-one liquid cooler, you can store it back. In this case, we don't have the box, so I covered the cold plate with a low adhesive tape to protect it from scratches and dirt. I also kept the brackets and screws intact, so all parts are complete for future use. As for the radiator, I'd normally remove it after the CPU block, but I kept it mounted since we won't use it in the new build. And mount the motherboard, ensuring that you get the rear IO plate. So, here are the computer parts that we took out from the in-win case. You got the power supply right here. This is a 2060 from Pallet, an ASUS motherboard, a couple of T-Force Delta RGBs, an i7-8700, a couple of 2TB hard drive, and these are the water cooling parts. Now, the fans that we took out from the case, we won't be using them anymore. We'll use these Bisky RGB fans. They can be controlled via the ASUS RGB software, or there's a manual remote. Those are the steps that I had to do to move the system into a new case. Now, we are using a Thermaltake A700, which is really suitable to what he currently needs. It's really spacious. You can mount various water cooling components into it. Now, stay tuned till the end of the video, of course, to see the outcome of this build, and I'll feature some of the comments that you left on my previous uploads. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Ha. Okay guys, it's 4 in the morning and this is what the build is like currently. So I removed the panel so I can install the fans in front and radiator and fans up top easily. That makes it so much easier removing those. Now, just want to tell you guys about the loop real quick. We got the D5 pump right here. Pump the liquid in the radiator. This is a 360mm radiator right there, also from Thermaltake. And then water goes into the CPU block, cools the CPU, and then the liquid goes back to the reservoir. And then on it goes. Now I did this run instead of going from the pump to the CPU because I find it easier this way, and plus I like how it looks. So yeah. I'm lost for words. I'm a failure. Anyway, it's 4 in the morning right now. I need to finish this before like 10 in the morning because the guy uses this for work. So he's got some deadlines and stuff. That's why we have to work fast. Now I have a separate power supply here, right there, because we're gonna put liquid into the pump so we can continue leak testing. But I pressure tested this already and it passed, so that's good. Now let's go put some water in this thing. All right. It's time to read the comments that you left on my previous uploads. The first one is from Totong Gaming. This was on the Thermaltake View 51 video. He asked, do they have the price for this already? Yes, they have it posted on the Thermaltake Premium store. So put that on this video somewhere. Okay. Then Richard Blaine Raxinaya. Hi sir, where do you get your PSU cable mods? I supply it to myself. So I have the raw materials. I mean, seriously, I have the raw materials for it. So I just mix and match them to whatever is required for the build. Maybe you ask that because you want to get one of your own. You can leave a message on my Facebook page, then we can talk about it. And last one is about giveaways. Yes, I've read comments about doing giveaways. So yeah, I think yeah, we can do that. If you can share this video on your pages, and maybe you can help me reach 500 likes on this video. And if that happens, I'll do a giveaway on the next upload. Let me know what you think about this build in the comments section down below. Thank you very much for watching. That's it from me. I'm out. Peace.